Is your WordPress site stuck in the basics? What if you could supercharge it with just one plugin? From speeding up workflow to customizing dashboards and even boosting WooCommerce and whatnot, if your site uses many dedicated plugins just for tiny tweaks, it's time to stop. Site enhancement plugins combine dozens of essential actions into one single plugin. Fewer plugins means fewer updates, faster websites, less hassle, and much more control over how WordPress behaves. In this video, we're revealing the 6+ best WordPress site enhancement plugins for you. First on our list and our top pick is Minifly from Brainywp. It's a new yet modern site enhancement plugin for both WordPress and WooCommerce, with a huge number of essential tools. From white label branding to custom dashboards, Minifly gives you powerful toggles to enhance your site in just a minute. Main features of the plugin are included in the following list. Hide disturbing admin notices. Disable Gutenberg and use the classic editor. Add back to top button. One-click post page duplication. Disable comments, REST API, full site progress bar. Dark mode for the site and admin. Hide all product prices on the WooCommerce site. All the features are mostly toggle-based, meaning you can just toggle on to enable the function. The link to this plugin is included in the description box. Next is ASE, the most popular and influencer-endorsed plugin with 200,000+ active users and 350+ 5-star reviews. It's perfect for workflow productivity, but doesn't include WooCommerce enhancements. Main features of the plugin: duplicate posts, pages, CPTs, custom post ordering. Replace media without broken links. External links open in new tab. Collect notices in a panel. Rename or hide admin menus, per role login redirects. Brute force login protection. From the makers of the Plus add-ons for Elementor, Nexter extension offers a massive set of site enhancement tools. It's powerful for developers, though it doesn't include WooCommerce support. Main features of the plugin: Code Snippets Manager, Page/Post Duplication, Content Order Manager, Media File Replacement, Self-Host Google Fonts, Change WP Login URL +2FA, Admin Dashboard Cleanup. If you love Gutenberg, you'll love PloverKit. It focuses on enhancing the WordPress editor with blocks, patterns, and visual effects, but no WooCommerce features. Main features of the plugin: Pattern Library, Table of Contents block, Entrance and hover animations, Reading time block, Code snippets, Sticky content and block shadows. Store Toolkit is designed specifically for WooCommerce stores. It adds quick enhancements that make managing your store faster and easier. Main features of the plugin: Change add to cart text, autocomplete 0 total orders, add empty cart button, generate sample orders, refresh product transients, delete corrupt variations. And finally, enhancements for WooCommerce, a lightweight toggle-based plugin to extend your store features quickly. Main features of the plugin: Add a second stock location, catalog mode plus enquiry form, custom cart messages, change the add to cart button text, stock status progress bar, move email fields. Based on our analysis, ASE has the most users, Nexter has developer power, and Minifly gives the best value, with both WordPress and WooCommerce features in one plugin. So which plugin should you choose? Our pick is Minifly, the only plugin that covers both site and WooCommerce enhancements together, with more features than the rest combined. It's clean, fast, toggle-based, and beginner-friendly. Ready to level up your WordPress site? Try Minifly or explore these powerful site enhancement plugins today. And if this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips from Brainywp.